Optimize with Philip Levi. Download the app now.
I'm excited to share our new project with you. It's called Optimize. Having an active outdoor lifestyle combined with regular visits to the gym are ideal. For many people, that just isn't possible. That's why an anywhere you are training regimen is a foolproof way to stay active even when getting outside isn't an option. Optimize is a movement system that fits in your schedule and helps you fix what holds you back. We work together live in snack-sized classes. The programs require minimal equipment, so you can build yourself up anywhere. Providing nutritional consultations and coaching, we help our clients achieve maximum results. Since 2007, I've been working with people to help them find their true potential through movement, program delivery, and lifestyle management. I noticed a common thread that seemed to affect everyone. As we all get older, our bodies can become less cooperative. Getting outside, keeping up with the kids, and managing energy are just a few surface-level obstacles that we tackle on the Optimize platform. Too often, some nagging injury just becomes the new normal. Everyone has a knee, shoulder, or back issue that's keeping them from living their fullest lives. Because of this, injury is a big hurdle that we tackle together through live and encore classes. With detailed instruction and specific guidance, we work together to advise you how to regain ownership of your true self. Confidence in movement and strength through performance. Optimize stands out from other fitness apps because we operate in seasons. Some seasons are focused on posterior strength to fight that desk or that drive, creating more extension and space in the spine, hips, and shoulders. Some seasons focus on metabolic efficiency, and some seasons are more specific to training while traveling. With snack-sized classes that don't eat up too much of your day, Optimize will help you discover how much potential you truly hold. I'd like to invite you to join us and see how truly great you can become.
If you found the content interesting or helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you out there.